The MA program in Philosophy and AI is a one-year program on a full-time basis, 2 years on a part-time basis. Primarily a philosophy degree with the opportunity for students to do some data science, look under the hood at what the techniques underpinning modern AI look like, and get some technical skills on that front. It involves coursework, some of which is designed to ensure that students from a wide variety of backgrounds, whether a philosophical background, a computing background, or another background entirely, are ready for graduate level study in philosophy. It provides an opportunity for studying across a quite wide range of areas of philosophy, and then also focusing in on issues in the philosophy of artificial intelligence. The program is basically unique in the UK. There's some sort of related programs, but this one really is quite unusual in that it allows students to study in an interdisciplinary way, doing both traditional philosophy targeted at topics around artificial intelligence, but also get their hands dirty, do some coding in Python, and learn the techniques of data science that underpin modern applications of artificial intelligence. As far as I know, there's no other program in the UK that combines the study of philosophy with the study of data science really at the graduate level in the way that this program does. The kind of 21st century has seen a boom of AI, really actually in the last slightly over a decade, I would say. It's everywhere now. This has thrown up some disruption within society. A lot of people therefore need to think carefully about it, need to apply it in ethical ways, refine the techniques that are available in light of theoretical insight. It really couldn't be more applicable, as I would say is evidenced by our student body, who come from a very, very wide range of areas. Everything from architecture and design to the IT sector to people who've worked in government. All such students are interested in this program because it affects all of those aspects of our lives. Students are going to be employable in a wide range of sectors. We've got, on the one hand, the great skills taught by philosophy, right? Clarity of thought and analysis and so on, and of expression and communication. And then on the other hand, teaching about a subject matter, including some of the techniques that are used, that is AI, and coding in Python, and the techniques of data science. And that combination of skill sets is going to be highly sought after in government, in the charitable sector, in the private sector, in quite a wide range of areas. And of course, students can pursue it further. There's going to be a need for this kind of expertise. They can go on to further study in exactly this combination of disciplines as well.